Hello, FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip I'm gonna show you how to change the air filter of the Porsche Cayenne S. These two filters on that car. This on the symmetrical sides on the left and on the right, they're both the same. You have to unscrew first, release this pipe and take it out. And then pull the corpus, and you can take out the filter. The air filter is very important for diesel, especially for diesel cars, but for petrol as well. That this guy is petrol. This guy is petrol, yeah. I think 4.5 liters petrol. The same way, put back the new filter. With every car coming into our garage, we make more new videos. You can watch it if you like it on we have two channels as well: Cars FIX Sevt AUTO and Peter's Garage. This side is some cables. You have to pull it a little bit up, and the filter, the corpus of the filter is gonna fit inside under the cables. You have to be careful with the cables. Now they're in, or not yet. Oh yeah, yes. And put the two clips on the top. Just clip it. And then put back that pipe. And do the same on the other side. It's the same filter. It's front on the left. The filters are on the right and on the left. They are symmetrical. You have to tighten properly. Tighten this pipe properly, because if it's taking air from there, it's gonna change the mixture of the fuel and air. Thank you again for watching our clips, and visit our channels Cars FIX Sevt AUTO and Peter's Garage. Thank you. Bye bye.